Hello, my name is Nathan and this is my unveiling of my new Ultrasabers Sentinel LE V4 with sound. There you go, there's the hilt. Oh, I'm so keen for this. Oh god, yeah. Feels really good. I'm freaking out that it might be a bit too small, but that's a good size. I feel it's going to be good. There's my CoverTech clip. There's the pommel. I chose it with sound because why wouldn't you get without sound? There, unswitch. Got the windows. Took me a while to decide if I want windows or not. Feels tiny bit heavier than I thought it would be, but shouldn't be a problem. It's much longer than I thought it would be, but I'll just get used to that. This is my first lightsaber. That tip, and it came with bulk and bubble wrap, which is always a great thing, and charger. Yeah, here's the charger. Let's turn it on for the first time. Oh, that's great. Oh, that looks excellent on this video. There you are. Got it in consular green. Looks great. And the sound is great. And I got it with the Obsidian soundboard, so it comes with all these different ones. I don't know. I'll chuck it in reverse so you can see it. There's all those ones. So yeah, I'm going to play around with that. So keen. Very keen. It was a hard decision between this and the Eon. I'm not sure how you say it, but yeah. Very happy with the Sentinel. Thank you, Ultrasabers. I think took about a week or two to get here, and I live in Australia, so I was very pleased about that. I thought it was going to take months, but this is excellent.